In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove profile icon in Google Chrome browser. If you see multiple profiles in Chrome, that little avatar in the top right can feel cluttered. The quickest way to clean it up is to remove the profile you don't need anymore. This doesn't delete your Google account, it only removes that specific Chrome profile and its locally stored data from your computer. First, open Chrome and look to the top right of the window. Click your profile icon. It might show your picture, an initial, or a generic avatar. When you click it, a small menu opens with options related to profiles and syncing. Next, click the gear icon labeled Manage Profiles. This opens a full page that shows each profile as a card, often with a name, a color, and an icon. This is the hub where you can switch, create, or remove profiles. Find the profile you want to remove. On that profile's card, move your mouse to the top right corner and click the three dots. This reveals more options specific to that profile, including the option to delete it. Choose Delete. Chrome will pause here and ask you to confirm. This step is designed to prevent accidental profile removal, since profiles can contain bookmarks, history, saved passwords, and extensions tied to that profile on this device. Confirm by clicking Delete again. Chrome will remove the selected profile from your computer. If that profile wasn't signed in and syncing, its local browsing data will be erased. If it was signed in with sync enabled, your data remains in your account online, but it will no longer be available on this device through that profile. Either way, the profile is now gone from the profile picker and from the icon menu. A few quick notes for clarity. Removing a profile only affects that one profile on this device. It doesn't impact other profiles or accounts you use elsewhere. If you still have multiple profiles, the profile icon will remain available for switching, but the one you deleted will no longer appear. If you keep just a single default profile, the toolbar area will feel much cleaner because there's nothing left to switch to. That's all there is to it. Click your profile icon, open Manage Profiles, use the three dots on the profile you don't need, select Delete, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a tidier Chrome experience.